Price guarantees is generally when a company, they offer an item for sale, say it's $20, and you purchase it because it's a great deal. Well, 3 weeks later, they've dropped that item down to $12. You go take your receipt back with you, take it to the counter, show them that you made the purchase, and they'll give you that $8 credit. So they'll guarantee that difference in the price.
Shopping on Black Friday is a lot of fun, and it certainly is a big family event for a lot of people. And it's always good on really busy, high traffic days like that. Make sure you shop with somebody else, because the most important thing is to be aware of your surroundings, to be aware of who's around you, who might be interacting with you. Those types of things are really important when you're in, anytime you're in really large crowds, but especially when you're shopping, because it's so easy to get distracted. A lot of times people leave their credit cards or their wallets on the counters when they're working with their merchandise and putting their things away and picking up their things. Those things can get left behind really easily.
When you're making a purchase, you want to use a credit card that will protect you. If you're banking with a reputable financial institution, your credit card almost will always have certain protections on it, including identity theft, in case something goes wrong. Additionally, for example, my American Express offers a 1-year extended warranty. So if the product that I'm purchasing has a manufacturer's warranty of 1 year, American Express will add that second year for me. So when you're out there, say at Best Buy, and you're making a purchase and they offer you a warranty from a third-party company, think of your credit card. You might want to check with them, give them a call, see if they offer that extended warranty too.
If you can keep the tags on the merchandise, sometimes we're so much in a rush for shopping, so we don't have time to try clothes on, and so we go home, and then when you have time to try it on, you might find that it doesn't fit you. So if the tags remain on it and you have the receipt, most stores will be very likely to work with you about your refund.
The return policy is key, and most people, when they find a return policy, they see it on the back of the receipt. It's too late, you've already made the purchase. So you want to make sure that you see the return policy prior to making the purchase. And the Virginia Consumer Protection Act states that the return policy has to be clearly, conspicuously posted near the register, somewhere where the consumer will see it when they're checking out. So if you're not sure of a return policy or you don't think it's posted, ask a retailer, ask for a copy in writing. Never believe in oral statements. Just like a verbal contract, it's not going to hold anything unless you see it in writing.
Gift certificates come in the best size and color for everybody. It gives you the freedom to shop, and most women, of course, love to shop and pick out the things that she likes. I think that it's the best thing to find out what stores carry gift certificates, what the maximum amounts are. Do they have to use the whole amount, or can they reserve some of that for a later shopping trip? And each store may vary, so find out about those gift certificates and what the store's policy is on gift certificates.
Absolutely, you should be out there checking the deals online. You always want to make sure, first of all, that you're using a secure website. Regardless of how honest or reputable the company seems to be, you've heard of them, you got an email link sent to you for them, you always want to make sure it's a secure site. So the best way to do that is in the toolbar, it'll say HTTPS:/ instead of HTTP. That way you know the site is secure. There should be a lock that coincides with that on your website. But when you're doing online shopping, number one is to make sure it's a secure site.